Today we have to describe about folding and the associated features. Dear students, you have to know the meaning of folding as a part of internal earth movement or diastrophism. This refers to the wrinkling of the earth's crust or result from the compression forces. Dear students, whenever we're talking about wrinkling, this refers to the bending of the earth's crust. And this is just caused with the compressional features or compressional forces. Though the faulting was caused with the tensional force, which means the divergence of material. But this compression forces is they bring material from different areas to reach at the same area, which means is a convergence of material from different areas, and whenever will be converged to each other can lead for the formation of folding. Therefore, although is a wrinkling or bending of the earth's crust result from the compression forces, is a process whereby the land surface is developed with series of anticline and synclines. Dear students, you have to know these terms or terminology concerning to the folding. According to this description, is a process whereby the land is developed in terms of anticline and syncline. Dear students, wherever the earth will be flat in nature and it want to move according to different factors, for instance, the formation of molten materials. Therefore, due to the folding, whereby materials just converge to each other, can lead for the bending or formation or development of two things, which is the anticline and the syncline. Anticline and the syncline. Anticline and the syncline, which can lead for the formation of uplands and downwards. Uplands and downwards. Therefore, the formation of anticline is when the movement of this crust, which was plain in nature by then, and the cause for the movement of this material can lead for the formation of uplifted landmass. And the area which is uplifted is called anticline. And the one which is downwards is called syncline. But you have to remind yourself that the area between anticline and the syncline, or the area of uplifted and the area of downlifted, is called uplifted is called the anticline and the downlifted is called the syncline. But the area which separated between anticline and the syncline, or uplifted and the downlifted, is called the rim. Therefore, due to the earth movement, you have to remind yourself that by then this landmass was plain in nature, but due to the earth movement can cause for the formation of uplands and the downwards. There are different factors which can be caused for the formation of this folding. We will describe later. Okay, the uplifted land is called the anticline and the downlifted land is called the syncline, as I told you. The side separating the anticline and the syncline is called the rim. The minor anticline and the syncline which developed on the major anticline and syncline are called the anticromias and the syncromias respectively. Dear students, wherever the movement of this landmass will be taking place, therefore can cause for the formation of small particles or landform to the anticline and to the syncline. This minor one or smallest one which takes place to the anticline is called anticromias. Anticromias are described on that sheet. But the minor one which will be taking place to the syncline is called syncromias. Syncromias are written on that board. Therefore, you have to differentiate these two things, anticline and syncline. This is the uplifted area and this is the downlifted area. But the minor one or the smallest parts or features which can be taken place to the anticline is called anticromias, and the smallest features which take place to the syncline is called syncromias. Dear students, these are some of features which is likely, or this terminology which can be located. There is the anticline, ellipse, syncline. Therefore, the area which is separated between syncline and anticline is called rims, which can be taking place on the landmass. Therefore, this folding, although is a wrinkling or bent of this crust due to different factors which we will discuss later, therefore it consists of different types of folding. The first one is called the symmetric folding or simple folding. Dear students, what is the meaning of symmetric folding? This is when all rims are similar. What is the meaning of rims? Rim, this is the area between anticline and the syncline. Therefore, whenever we talk about symmetric, this is when all rims are similar. For instance, this chart, this chart, whenever the landmass will be bending or changing its direction, will reach to certain area and lies to certain area. Therefore, this is the rim and this rim. Therefore, the distance from here to this area, these rims are similar from the distance from this area to this area. For instance, the distance of this rim and this rims are similar. Wherever will be similar or equal, therefore is called symmetric. For instance, this structure, this rim and this rim are similar. The same applies to this rim and this are similar. Dear students, another type of folding is asymmetric folding. This is just the opposite of symmetric. Asymmetric folding is when one rim is pushed over the other rims to a shorter distance. For instance, this is just pushed over to another rims. The distance of one is low and the other is high. For instance, the distance of this one is high and this one is high, but this is shorter one. Therefore, is wherever one rim will be pushed up to a shorter distance, that is called asymmetric. Therefore, we have to remind ourselves that the symmetric are equal, all rims are equal, but this one are not equal because one rim is just pushed up. For instance, this is just pushed up to a shorter distance. Why have been pushed up at a shorter distance? This is due to difference of mineralization which can be taken place on this area. From today, you have to remind yourself that the landmass or the crust is consists of different mineralization. It can be acidic in nature, or basic in nature. Therefore, the acid is very viscous, or which can be pushing material at a high distance than the basic one. This base is not capable than the acidic. The acid is very capable in terms of eruption or movement. Therefore, this asymmetric is just pushed over another rim at a shorter distance. This formation of this landmass uplifted and downlifted, and this one is geosyncline. And because the formation or the geosyncline or the depression one is longest in nature, can lead for the formation of Mediterranean Sea. Because wherever this depression will be filled with water, we obtain water bodies whereby this geosyncline can lead for the formation of Mediterranean Sea. Dear students, another theory concerned to the folding genesis of building is convectional currents. Dear students, convectional, for instance, this structure, there is a landmass which, due to the earth movement, or divergence of material have been come to this area. For instance, this is just moving to this area, and this one is just moving to this area. This is rise to this area, and this is rise to this. To the arrow whereby it's just meet to each other. This is convergence, and this is convergence, whereby there is the uplifted area and the downlifted area. Therefore, due to the convergence current theory, is the movement of molten materials within the S-crust form a wave-like structure. Dear students, as I told you that this is movement of molten. And the molten, these are material which are liquid form, are liquid forms, are the porridge one. But wherever will be cooled with a certain air on the landmass, on the air surface, can lead for the changes of that material into the solid on the solid states. Therefore, wherever this movement of this mountain will be moving in terms of waves, up, down, up, wherever I'm talking about waves, I'm just talking about the waves of water bodies. Ndani ya bahari unaona mawimbi juu chini. Therefore, even this convection currents is just moving in terms of waves actions. Okay. Hence, this movement of after a long period, it can force the lake to develop with ups and downs as the movement of waves, and hence the series of mountains called folding mountains can be taking place. Okay, another theory is the association theory. Dear students, the meaning of iso is equal, and static is mean standing. Therefore, whenever we talk about isosceles, you are just talking about equal standing or equilibrium. For instance, this landmass is plane in nature, but due to this plane area, one of this landmass is excessive in terms of weight. For instance, this is having 20 kg, and this is 50 kg. I mean kilogram. Therefore, in order to balance or to make equilibrium, one it should be rising up so as to reach 50. For instance, this one it should be rising up so as to reach to 50 kg. Wherever will be rising upwards can cause for up and down. Even this one, wherever it wants, for instance, this have been moved to upwards so as to reach to 50 kg, so as to make equilibrium between the one and the another. For instance, this is A and this is B. Wherever this 20 will be raised to kg, so as to make equilibrium in terms of kg or kilogram, therefore, or weight, therefore, we can cause for the formation of up and down. Therefore, assume this landmass is plane again, but and having with 20 kg, and this is 50 kg. And we want to balance this material. This kg of 50, it should be rising downwards so as to make equilibrium with this 20. Therefore, this material, it can be rising downwards and cause for depression. Therefore, we obtain the uplands and the downwards. Uplands and the downwards, and so as to reach kg the same like this 20. Therefore, this equilibrium, it can be caused with the movement of material either upwards or downwards so as to make equilibrium this material. Without regardless there is uplifted or downlifted, but the main concept is to make equilibrium between two materials. Let's discover this. When there is an excess weight of material on the surface, it forces that part to sink down as the sinosphere tend to balance the area by uplifting of the land. In order to balance, some of the material, it should be rising up so as to balance, or it should be rising downwards so as to balance the landmass, and then we can obtain up and down, or up and down. Dear students, and this land without excessive material, when this process is continued, it will lead to the formation of folding mountains. I think you have been understood about this structure. Dear students, another theory concerning to the formation of folding or genesis of folding is the continental drift. Dear students, according to Wegener, the one scientist who discovered about the formation of continental drift, he was believing that the continent was one or was the same as the Pangea, but due to the earth movement was caused for the two plates to take place, which is Eurasian and the Gondwana land. And whenever this division will be taking place, or two plates can cause for the formation of depression at the mid. But after years to pass, this Eurasia was divided into different continents where we can obtain Northern America, Europe, Asia, and the other continents. But even this Gondwanaland was divided, whereby there are some continents which take place, for instance, Southern America, Africa, Australia, and the area of landmass. Therefore, there is the area of water masses or of down, because most of water cannot stay at the top of mountains or at the top of uplifted. Maybe wherever at that area there is a depression like a crater, but most of the water is just taking place to the lowlands. Therefore, due to the formation of continental drift, can cause for the formation of up and down. For instance, the landmass whereby there is water bodies in the area of oceanic, or the area of lake, there is lowland, or is like to the depression. For instance, Lake Tanganyika, Lake Victoria, which is the basin one, caused with the warping. Lake Tanganyika, which caused with valley. There is low areas, but to the landmass there is uplifted. Therefore, this formation is due to the movement of the Earth in terms of continental drift or movement. For instance, by then there is one continent as the Pangaea, but divided into two parts, Eurasia and Gondwanaland. But Eurasia divided into different plates. For instance, different continents. For instance, Northern America, Asia, and Europe. But this one, as the Gondwanaland, divided into different continental. And wherever will be moving or dividing, there is a certain area which is depression or downwards. Therefore, we obtain the area of down, up, down, down, ups, down, ups. That is described according to this notes. When the place we are moving in the Precambrian, many years ago, Precambrian, I mean 3,000 million ago, Precambrian era, it was continental or oceanic plates. When the continent plates oceans moving over the roughness of the area and causes the Sierra crust or continents to fold and lead to the formation of mountainous. I think I'm clear about this continental, because the material was plain nature, but due to the movement caused for the formation of up and down. The downward area is just filled with water and caused for the oceanic or ocean. For instance, the Atlantic, Indians, Pacific, and the others. Dear students, another or the last theory is plate tectonic theory. This is right to the continental, because this is the situation of dividing of the plates of the landmass. When this plate move toward to another, or convergence movement, they cause the zone of collision to lose material and form syncline, while the other materials were deposited at the other sides of the plates and the anticline. The best convincing theory is the plate tectonic theory, since most of the folding mountains are found at the zone of convergence. Dear students, most of this folding is just taking place to the area of convergence. And you know the meaning of convergence. This is just a meeting of two things or two plates, and wherever will be reaching to each other can lead for the formation of up. Wherever the up area will be taking place, even the downward will be taking place. Dear students, types of folding mountainous. There are two types of folding. Although we have been described about the types of folding according to appearance or shape. For instance, symmetric, overthrust, and others. But here is the types of folding mountainous according to genesis or formation. How long have been formed this folding? The first one is called the young folding mountainous, old folding mountainous, and the second is old folding mountainous. Therefore, we have to study the first one, which is the young folding mountainous. These were formed recently in the Cenozoic era, about 30 million years ago. Example: Atlas, Andes, Himalaya, Alps. They have been affected by denudation or denudation. This because it just taken place during not many years ago, have not being affected with this gem-dated is very capable in nature. But the old one were formed many years ago, some in the Precambrian era of about 3,000 million years ago, others in Paleozoic eras, for instance 500 up to 350 million years ago, as in Mesozoic era about 350 million years ago or 240 million years ago. These mountaineers have been highly gem-dated. The one which taking place to the old ones is just gem-dated. The meaning of denudation, this is a prolonging of weekend. And this weekend, for instance, a certain mountaineers like this area, due to the formation or heating of temperature, rain, which will be hitting to this landmass, it can be unstable in nature, can cause for the weathering or massacring to take place. Therefore, the one which taken place many years ago is gem-dated in nature, and the gem-dation meaning is a prolonging of weak material. Why is weak material? Is weak material because of heating of rain or water on the earth surface, and heating of the temperature at the sun. Wherever will be heating to the earth surface can cause for the cracking or some parts to be reduced its capability, because this landmass consists of different mineralization. Wherever this mineral will be opposite with this water can be weak or can undergo denudation. And we have one mountainous in Tanzania which is formed or caused with this denudation, which is called Sekenke. Sekenke in Singida. There is certain mountainous in Singida which is called Sekenke, which is mountainous based on denudation.